Off the freeway today on my way into work and my car returned to idle speed, I noticed an extremely loud ticking coming from kind of underneath and in the engine compartment area. And so here is the sound. It goes away when I rev the engine to about 2,500 RPMs.